Okay, this is my shortwave display. It's a smaller one. It's about 18 inches across. It's about 12 inches from the front to the back, and the lights are about 10 to 12 inches above the base of the display. It's illuminated by two 25 watt for a total of 50 watts. Do it yourself. Toolbox shortwave units. I got a little write up on how to do those. They cost about $100 each. This is with white light, so we'll turn that off. Okay, there's with one of the units, and that's with both of the units. Pretty nice little display. The room's not completely blacked out. I've got a computer monitor and a little light on behind me, so there is some ambient light, but I kind of like it. And here's what happens when you turn off the lights. Got a nice afterglow. Have a good day.